The leading mobile money service GCash application now goes beyond cashless payment methods with the launch of their new GCredit and Invest Money platforms. Instead of borrowing money from sketchy loan sharks, GCash users can now make use of the more accessible GCredit feature.
GCredit is actually a revolving credit line which users can actually use for buying their daily needs. So for example, you need groceries or you have medical emergency, you can use it to buy medicine, for example, for the pharmacy that we're partnered with.
A user's credit is granted by their G-score. Users can raise their credit limit by continuously using the GCash app to raise their G-score. Users with some savings can also invest their money through the new Invest Money feature.
It's really a platform within the GCash app that gives access to users to different financial products or investment funds in particular from our product providers. So right now, there is one product in the platform. It's called the Atram Peso Money Market Fund. This is a product owned by our partner Atram Trust Corporation. So you can invest as little as just 50 pesos and all within the app. You guys can visit gcash.com. So that's gcash.com.ph, is it? Yeah,
yes.
.ph. So, and you'll see all the information there about the different features within the GCash app, as well as how to register for the service.
The GCash application is a convenient way to send money, pay bills, pay transactions with a QR code, and many other cashless transactions. Users can easily connect their GCash account to their bank account or cash in through partner establishments such as 7-Eleven.
We are inviting you to download the GCash app and enjoy the convenience and the financial services that we provide in the app.
It's very easy. Just go to the Play Store and all you need to do is all within the app.
Going cashless is made easy with the GCash application. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.